my name is Stephen Farrell. I'm from Spectrum Emerging Technologies. I'd like to share with you our ColorBalancer line of aerosols. First, the basics. Number one, ColorBalancer Aerosol line will only darken panels, and its goal is to accomplish a color disparity where one color or where one panel meets another panel and one panel is darker than the other. Number two, ColorBalancer aerosols or any of the ColorBalancer line can be used on either the body shop painted or on the OE finish. Number three, ColorBalancer products can be used on any paint manufacturer's paints or clear coats as long as they are properly dry. Dry to the manufacturer's specifications. As you know in the industry, a painter can use every available tool that is given to them by a paint manufacturer to try to get the color correct. But for one of a number of reasons, the color is not correct. The aerosol product line of ColorBalancer will only darken in the places that you use it specifically is only where a front fender meets a front bumper, or on this car where a rear quarter panel meets a rear bumper cover. And some of the applications on this, as seen here, the body shop painted the front fender and they clear coated the front fender, but there is a color disparity between the front fender and the front bumper cover. What the ColorBalancer aerosol can do in varying shades is take that disparity and actually, in as little as 10 minutes, make the disparity better by applying the aerosol on the adjacent panel of which is lighter. ColorBalancer aerosol products, as I formerly talked about, darken in varying shades. So there are different levels of darkening. CB100 is basically for white, which will only darken a panel a little bit. CB101 is for lighter colors, your champagnes, your silvers. 102 is for medium colors. A good example would be the red car. 103 is for darker colors. Now we're going to get into the application of ColorBalancer aerosols. What we first need to do is evaluate, once again, the problem. In this instance, the body shop that painted this front fender, and the front fender is darker than the front bumper cover. Because we know that ColorBalancer aerosol products can be used on either the body shop painted or the OE finish. And we know in this case we only need to darken the front bumper cover, that we can use the ColorBalancer aerosol products. Use of the ColorBalancer aerosol product is a four-step process. First, we properly clean the panel using ColorBalancer cleaner. We then choose the correct shade, because remember, they darken in varying shades. We can take the color tool and put it on there and effectively see that CB102 darkens that panel accordingly. We then, using our system, we clean the panel using the cleaner. Only the panel that we're going to apply the ColorBalancer product. We spray it on, and we wipe it off. Cleaning a little bit past where we're going to apply the product. Step two is to mask the adjacent area. So all we're going to do is mask the adjacent area where we are not going to spray. And just so that we can show you where you were before and how much the ColorBalancer aerosol changed the color, we're going to put a vertical piece of paper so you can see the before and after. You've now done step two, which is mask. Now we get to spray. We chose 102. Take the can. You want to spray this can as if you're spraying a spray gun. Start before the area, start your spray and go past it. 50% overlap, concentrating where the two colors do not match and blending away.